gym. So not everyone has the strength to pull heavy luggage on railway stations and buildings. So our Travelite Bags brings to you Bag Glider. This is our visiting card, and this is the back side of our visiting card.
Our product is about making people's movement easy. The conveyor belt on the back side helps people glide the bag easily on the staircase and about the old age problems. The bag glider has an adjustable handle so that it can adjust upon your angle of your positions.
The mechanism of the bag. As you could see, we have the wheels are there, so and we have used the seat belt, so it could act like a conveyor. So when you climb the staircases, and the handle will tilt, so the bag will be like this. This is how it tilts, and so bag will glide easily through the stairs.
We classified the people it would help separately. So firstly, the teenagers and children. We all know that they're very enthusiastic about showing their strength, but in the end they can't lift those bags up the stairs. And mainly on railway stations, when you have to catch a train, they might not be able to reach on time. So this would help them carry their bag easily. It would glide them up the stairs or down the stairs, as the handle is adjustable. Also, the senior citizens, they don't have that much strength in their bones and hands now because of the diseases or problems they would be facing. So this would also help them glide the bag up and down. And people with back and shoulder problems, they cannot lift such heavy luggage. So, and in case they don't want any help from others, this would help them easily carry their luggage around on stairs.
We have our marketing strategy, stalls on railway stations that can publish our product, and people would know about the product of Bag Glider. Then we would distribute pamphlets that can easily introduce our product to the people in the market, and we can post advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, and travel sites, etc.
This is the photo of our product.
This is our newspaper advertisement. This is the magazine advertisement. Radio jingle.
तो आज ही ले आइए बैग ग्लाइडर सिर्फ 2500 रुपए में। पहले 5 लकी कॉलर्स को मिलेगी बैग ग्लाइडर फ्री। तुरंत कॉल कीजिए on 9638131877 या लॉग ऑन टू sites.google.com/slide/travellightbags/. To the stairs in an easy gliding way. Oh, what fun it is to buy the bag glider today. तो आज ही ले आइए बैग ग्लाइडर सिर्फ 2500 रुपए में। पहले 5 लकी कॉलर्स को मिलेगी बैग ग्लाइडर फ्री। तुरंत कॉल कीजिए on 9638131877 या लॉग ऑन टू sites.google.com/slide/travellightbags/.
This is our television commercial. This is our logo.
The significance of our logo is the trolley bag has wings, which shows that you can easily fly through the staircase.
This is our making video.
These are the group members: Abhishek Pari, Bhakti Parsana, Sanjita Sidpura, Kevin Padalia, and me, myself, Remy Ambalia.
Thank you.
So this was a very cool product. I really liked it. It was a very nice design tweak that you had made, and it's actually solving a problem because I have the same problem. That is something that I really liked. I like the way you're planning to sell it somewhere near the railways and advertise it over there. And the infomercial is also very cool. Have you, like, why sell it online and not to retailers?
The bags usually in the market, they themselves cost so much. You have like 4,000, they have ranges from 1,500 to 4,000. We are producing it on our own through second-hand bags or just from by order. So then it's easier for us to directly talk to the customer.
I see. Sounds good. Thank you.
You're selling online, that's a good thing. Obviously, that's an emerging market as well. Online is an emerging market. That's so you've targeted that market well. But when you say you want to target elderly customers as well, obviously they would not be tech savvy. You are tech savvy, but you're selling your product on railway stations. But you could probably consider having your own shop or tying up with some other shop or some other retailer so that you can appeal the elderly senior citizen market a bit more.
No, actually we are going home to home and giving out pamphlets, so older senior citizens will also be aware about the product.
Okay.
What is the price that you quote for this bag?
2,500 rupees.
2,500, and it can be customized according to size and all, because you said online market, right?
It's a good product, but I have a few questions. When you took the bag up the staircase, was it loaded? Did it have stuff in it?
Yes.
Was it an empty bag or did you put stick things in it?
We had clothes in that.
Okay. What I get confused is an older person cannot even pull it. You see, if it's an old person, they will not be able to pull the bag.
But the older person can also not lift the bag.
Yes, so the older person is not supposed to do either of the two.
This is an easier way around it. There will always be drawbacks, but we just try to make the problem a bit easier.
Okay. Another thing was, what was Abhishek doing in that video? You were sitting with the bag and...
Yes, I was just actually cutting. First it was like...
So how did you fix this thing? I mean, was it done, did you guys do this or was it taken to some person?
My brother helped me.
Okay, so how is this done? Can you just explain? I mean, how have you put the belt and all?
Yes, actually, this is the what we use in cycles, the bicycles. You know, so that acts like axle over here. So the wheels are fixed with it. So the wheels move, and this is actually the seat belt. So it will act like a conveyor.
Good idea. Good job. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Also, one real quick thing. This reminds me, when you say senior citizens, I understand that it might not only be the senior citizens who are buying it. It's also some other people. So one thing that you could do, or next time or any other time in future, would be to define who are the other people that would purchase your product, and then you can define what is called a beachhead. That's the starting point of selling. So we want to start by selling it to senior citizens, but if a 9-year-old asks for it, we won't say no. So something like that. So that'll be more clear.
Okay, and the source for the steam. R.